To access the air filter, you first of all need to remove the engine cover, which is quite hard to do. It's quite a tug to lift it up, and then there are two pipes at the rear that you need to disconnect in order to remove it. Once this has been lifted off, you can then access the air filter, which is underneath the engine cover. There are a number of screws which are standard Phillips crosshead screws that you need to undo. So if you just work around the bottom of the airbox, you'll be able to remove those and then get to the air filter, which is inside. As you can see, the air filter in my car was very dirty and had some oil on one end of it. So the right hand side here, you can see the oil that has got into the filter. So we've got a brand new filter to put in, and you can see the massive difference between the two. So the filter just needs to seat in the holder, and once that's done, you can then refit the holder back onto the bottom of the engine cover and tighten up all of the screws. Once all of the screws are done, you can then refit the engine cover back onto the car, pushing down in order to click it into place, and remembering to secure the two pipes at the rear of the engine cover.